Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dingle D, and you're watching H3 Humper. Today I'll be showing you how I replaced my Hummer H3 camshaft cover gaskets, also known as valve cover gaskets. Let's get cracking. I'll pop off the intake tubing, the coils, and then remove the spark plugs. I'll take my plug wrench with an extension and pull these plugs out. Throttle body harness connector, evap line, the throttle body, the map sensor connector, the PCV hose, the serpentine belt, the alternator mounting bolts, and finally the intake manifold itself. Here's a helpful diagram of the intake mounting bolt locations, which are circled in red. We got the harness pulled out of the way. There we go. I removed the old gaskets by gently prying them off, and then on the cover itself I made sure to really clean out the groove where the gasket sits. I've got the mating surface all cleaned up and wiped down for the spark plug tubes as well as the outer gasket. Now I'll install the new gaskets, which include the gasket for the perimeter around the cover as well as each of the spark plug tubes. Make sure each of these are seated properly. Onto the outer gasket. Time to reinstall the camshaft cover onto the engine. I've tightened the camshaft cover bolts down by hand, and now I can follow up with the torque wrench and tighten them down to 89 inch-pounds per the factory manual. The manual doesn't specify any particular sequence with tightening these, so I'll just be alternating from side to side as I move from one bolt to the next. With all those torqued down, now I can continue with reassembly. Tighten from inside out and torque to 89 inch-pounds. Tighten these throttle body mounting bolts to 89 inch-pounds. And reconnect the throttle control module harness. Evap line. Reinstall the intake tubing. And reconnect the PCV hose. Now I can re-secure the generator bolts to 37 foot-pounds. Reinstall the serpentine belt. And there we have it. There's how I replaced the camshaft cover gaskets on my Hummer H3. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.